Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Google Analytics 4 for Shopify conversion tracking step by step clearly. To set up Google Analytics 4 for Shopify conversion tracking, start by logging into your Google Analytics account. If you don't have an account, create one by following the prompts on the Google Analytics homepage. Once logged in, click on the admin gear icon in the bottom left corner. In the admin area, look for the property column and click on the Create Property button. Enter your desired property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose the click on Next and fill in the necessary business information as requested. After completing this, click on Create, and you will be redirected to the property setup. In the property setup, select Web as your platform. You will then be prompted to enter your Shopify store URL. Make sure to provide the correct URL format. Once entered, click on Create Stream to generate a data stream for your Shopify store. In the data stream settings, you will see your measurement ID. Copy this measurement ID as you will need it later for your Shopify configuration. Next, log into your Shopify store admin dashboard. From there, click on Online Store and then navigate to Preferences. Scroll down to the Google Analytics section, and if there is any existing code, remove it. Paste your Google Analytics 4 measurement ID into the provided field. Check to ensure that you have enabled the enhanced e-commerce setting in GA4 to track your conversions effectively. Next, return to your Google Analytics account. In the admin section, under the property column, click on Data Streams and select the data stream you've just created. Scroll down to Enhanced Measurement and make sure it's turned on. This will allow for automatic tracking of events like page views and clicks. Once everything is set up, it's crucial to test your configuration. Use the real-time report in Google Analytics to verify that your activity is being tracked. Perform a test transaction on your Shopify store. After completing the test purchase, go back to Google Analytics and check if the transaction appears in the real-time report. If you see the transaction reflected, your setup is successful. If not, double-check your measurement ID and any configuration settings you adjusted in Shopify. Once confirmed, you're all set to start tracking conversions on your Shopify store with Google Analytics 4. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.